It also stimulates brand new cellular growth. So you're actually regrowing some of the tissue that was damaged.
Okay.
So in that regard, it's kind of like getting a PRP injection or a stem cell injection because it's helping your body grow new tissue in an area that's been damaged. You go through the delt and then come up. Have you had pain into the delt too?
Oh, yeah.
Watch his muscle twitch on the back.
The posterior and anterior is one.
See that?
Oh my
The
gosh,
response he's
it's
getting?
going crazy.
Basically, Evan's entire shoulder complex is an issue. And watch me hit that bicep screw. Better down low, right? We'll go over to pec insertion. Pec insertion, not too bad. So if you had a pec issue, this would be killer on that pec insertion.
I can still do certain checks. I can try to do it.
Biceps, bicipital groove here. See where it gets into the lower part of that bicipital groove? So that's an area where he needs some help.
You can see the twitching.
We'll get into the delt.
Oh my gosh, look at that twitch. Wow.
Well, I'll put that on my fingertips.
This would be a good video. Let's show us what it does.
We'll even hit a little upper trapezus
I
as
love it on the upper trap.
horrible upper trap issues historically.
Like 4 people in here, one on each hand. Whole body.
That's what I said. I'm like, looking at my neck feels really good. How about my lower back?
What did you do to your arm that caused this?
Doctor said overused.
Overuse. So he's got a biceps tendon strain. He's probably also got a strain in his belt. Whether that was from an individual workout or accumulation over a course of time. You know, little micro traumas add up to be a whole shoulder complex issue, right?
And then they tell you you can modify and deal with the pain, but whenever you're modifying, you're a lot of times.
You're losing your gains.
But then also.
And you're creating other issues,
overcompensating
too,
in other
yeah.
areas.
But why is it your non-dominant side?
Well, this one started it too. But I'm not gonna be able to check that very know what it's doing over here.
Athletes and farmers are stubborn. They're made for good patients.
And I don't have the patience to do it. It needs to be done.
Chiropractor's job security, you guys.
Woo! How we doing?
That's the most I've been able to do that without it like
Right?
pinching.
Range of motion is
pinching.
gonna be immediate difference.